Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be talking about the background image. Now CSS has the ability to change the background of an element. One option is to make the background of an element an image. This can be done through the CSS property background-image, and the syntax is going to look like this. So you have a class here of main banner, background image, and let me actually make this better to see. So it's on single line right there, and you can have a URL and then parentheses whatever is the URL. The background image property will set the images or the element's background to display an image, which the image is here. And the value provided to the background image is a URL. The URL should be a URL to the image. The URL can be a file within your project, or it can be a link to an external site. To link to an image inside an existing project, you must provide a relative file path. If there is an image folder in the project with an image named mountains.jpg or JPG, the relative path should look like this. Should look like images/mountains.jpg, and that would be the URL. So let's go ahead and run some practice with this. So in the style.css folder, change the background image of the element with the .image class. So the .image right here, okay. And the image stored in the following URL. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and change the URL to this one right here. Right here. And let's do it. And there you go. That's how you essentially do this. So it's background-image :URL, and then you have a little you have the parentheses, and then in quotes you put the actual URL. Now let me go ahead and show you guys if it works without the URL. It actually does, but we like to have the URL to essentially say, hey, like this all goes together, so it's, you know, nicer feel for us. And yeah, in the next video we're gonna look at the important, which, you know, it's gonna be a lot more fun. But yeah, that's gonna end it right here. That's gonna be background image in a nutshell. If you enjoyed this, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.